There is a village in Japan where people routinely live into their 90s, never sick a day in their lives. Cancer, Alzheimer, and even wrinkles are rare, and no one seems to worry about their health. What is their secret? What is the secret to a long, healthy life? Connie Chung from ABC News visited this amazing village called Yuzurihara, which is located about 2 hours outside of Tokyo. The report from her visit is documented on YouTube in the video entitled The Miracle of Hyaluronic Acid. The scientists first thought maybe the answer is good genes, but they eliminated that, since when these villagers' children moved to Tokyo, they were started getting sick like most of us, and they died many years before their parents. The other reason could be a low-stress lifestyle. This definitely helps, but there are many other places in the world where people have similar lifestyles, but they still get sick. So, what is the secret? The researchers found out it is much more than a low-stress lifestyle. The secret is their very special diet. This diet consists of very little meat, but a lot of sticky starches and vegetables, and a special type of potato that happens to grow just in this village. This diet gives them an abundance of a substance called hyaluronic acid, more than most of us have in our bodies. Hyaluronic acid is something we are born with, but we lose it about 1.5% each year. Hyaluronic acid enables our bodies to retain moisture. It keeps our joints lubricated and our skin smooth and elastic. With hyaluronic acid, our skin remains beautiful and our joints remain full of synovial fluid, and therefore they do not degenerate. So why can't we just bring these potatoes to the United States and adopt these villages' diets and lifestyles here? There are several problems with this idea. Number one, most people will hate this diet because it does not taste good. And number two, you would need to eat this diet from almost the moment you are born, because you cannot rebuild hyaluronic acid from food. You can only stop the process of losing it. Scientists started to think about how to go around this and provide a way for our Western society to replenish hyaluronic acid in our bodies so that we could also stay healthy, flexible, and without wrinkles. Researchers from all around the world started to look for the solution. It was a very difficult problem to solve because once we lose hyaluronic acid, we cannot replenish it from food. In nature, the molecule of hyaluronic acid is too large to be absorbed. It has a size of 300 kilodaltons or more, and it should be around 1.5 to 2.5 kilodaltons for our bodies to be able to absorb it. Nearly all the products on the market that have hyaluronic acid, either supplements or cosmetics, do not work because of this molecule is too large problem. They are not absorbable, and it is not important what we take or use, but what our body absorbs. Thus, the question is, how did these villagers in Japan never lose it? Well, the answer is, there is an enzyme in our bodies called hyaluronidase. This enzyme kills hyaluronic acid, and by doing that, it speeds up the aging process. Their diet deactivated this enzyme, and that's the reason their bodies never lost their hyaluronic acid content. Many researchers from all around the world were trying to find a way to optimize the size of this molecule without much success. Finally, an American company, after over 20 years of research, using scientists from top US universities, solved this problem. They discovered a natural source and developed a product that, number one, replenishes not only hyaluronic acid, but also collagen and other important components in our bodies in the same proportion as our bodies are built, so our bodies can recognize it. Number 2, it has an optimally sized molecule for maximum absorption. Number 3, it deactivates hyaluronidase, so we stop losing hyaluronic acid as we age. Number 4, does not go through the GI tract, but is instead absorbed directly, sublingually, into our bodies. Number 5, it was examined by FDA and was awarded the highest certification that any natural product can get, the GRAS certification. That means generally recognized as safe. Number 6, it is in a liquid form, which is very important for maximum absorption. And finally, number 7, its effectiveness has been proven by many double-blind, placebo-controlled human clinical studies. As a result, finally, we have a fountain of youth in a bottle that works. It's proven and it tastes delicious. So, how would you like to be 100 years old without any aches and pains, without disease or any sign of dementia? Just click Learn More to find out how this fountain of youth can benefit you.